Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Kind of a shadow effect and almost like a bevel, like it's been beveled. Really pretty easy. You just need to do two things. Don't move it from here on out. This thing is almost 4, so we've got a nudge factor set on 5. Make a duplicate of that and hit the plus key or the plus key and move it down. And then let's turn that green. Actually take away the outline. Then we're going to take this line and go to the shadow tool and kind of go like that. And then, don't play with the numbers too much. And we're going to go to the outside, but then we're going to go right here, inverse square. I don't really know what it does, but if we now go to object and break the drop shadow apart and get our shadow and move it down and go up to object, order, front of page, look what it did. Now, the reason you can't see my other one is because I have a black box around it. So it's eliminating the other part of the shadow. But look how it's almost looks like a bevel effect instead of a shadow effect. I mean, I did this one earlier today and I think I did it exactly exactly the same because they look exactly the same. And you could change the color. You know what? Let's just do that. Let's move that one out of the way. Take this and make it red. Where do we put it? Oh, there it is. And look at that. I mean, if you printed that, I don't know anything about printing, but if you printed that on a black shirt, I'm just curious what it would look like. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.